Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. So today's project is this beautiful greeting card which is made using string art technique. I will show you how to make this beautiful lantern shaped string art design in the center. This is in the star shape, and also I will share how to make this beautiful quilling flower arrangement in the corner. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking light green color cardstock which is 11 by 11 centimeters, and using 4 centimeters radius I am making one circle exactly in the center of the paper. This paper is having 200 GSM thickness. Now using the same radius I am dividing the circle in 6 equal parts so that we will get the hexagon shape. Now I am just joining these markings to create the hexagon. And we also need to join the parts like this. So this is done. Then just align your ruler on this line, and from left to right we have to mark at 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and 3 centimeters. Similarly, I have done marking on the remaining lines. Now using pointed needle or any pointed thing, you have to just poke the holes on these markings. So I'm just creating holes on these markings like this till the top. Holes are already done. Then we have to divide this line in 2 parts. So I'm just marking at 2 centimeters, and then we have to mark at each line like this, and then join the markings together and create the line. Now we have divided the circle in 12 equal parts like this. Then after that, on this line also we have to do the markings. So starting from the center of the circle, I am marking at 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2 and 2.5 centimeters. Similarly, doing the marking on the remaining lines. And then on the top as well I am marking at 1.5 centimeters alternatively. Then create the hole on these markings, and for the first layer of the string art we have to join the markings like this. So I'm just making my pencil outline so that it will be easier for me to create the thread work. Super easy. We just need to join markings with the top center. So the star kind of shape is ready. Now here I am taking this embroidery thread, and 2 strands of thread I am taking in dark pink color, and just starting with the weaving work. I have already created one knot at the back, and you can also use normal cotton thread which we use for the sewing purpose. Just take 2 or 3 strands according to the thickness of your thread, and just follow the pencil marking and create the star shape. Similarly, I am going to complete the remaining design with the same method. And after making it, it looks like this. Super beautiful, isn't it? Now I'm starting with the second layer of the star. For this I'm taking light pink color thread and starting with the topmost point and adding the thread between this where we have created the markings, and in the similar way we have to create one more star. So just completing the similar pattern around this, and after making the second layer the star will look like this, and it's looking very gorgeous. Now just making the knot at back side, and then I'm cutting the excess thread. So the beautiful string art pattern is ready. It's looking very gorgeous. Then I have created one circle which is touching to the boundary of the square, and I'm just trimming out the excess paper and cutting the circle shape. Like this. Then I am adding one more same size of yellow color cardstock on back side of this, so that all thread work will hide and it will have the nice finishing to our card. Burnish it very well and it will look like this from back side. So the base for the card is ready. Very pretty and sturdy. Now to create the card base, I am taking white cardstock which measures 30 by 15 centimeters. I have just folded this in half. Now I am adding one gold mirror cardstock and peach cardstock on top of this. I have kept 0.5 centimeter gap while cutting each square. Just burnish it nicely. Then on top of this I am adding one more circle which is little bigger than our green circle. And this is the pink cardstock having 200 GSM thickness. And then on top of this I am adding my string art circle. To give little dimension to the artwork, I have added some pieces of mound board on back side of this. You can also use double-sided foam tape like this. And then it's time to make our quilling flowers. For my first flower I am taking half strip of dark pink color in 3mm and making one pointed teardrop shape. Similarly I have prepared one more, so I'm just joining both the teardrops together. And we need total 6 this type of petals, so just joining all 6 petals together and making the flower. For the center of the flower I have used one strip of peach and 1/4 strip of dark pink color, and the flower is ready. Now for the next flower I am taking half strip of light pink color in 3mm and making one teardrop shape. Just joining 5 petals together and adding one tight coil in the center which is made using 1/4 strip of peach color and 1/4 strip of dark pink color. Now for the next flower I am taking half strip of peach color and making one teardrop shape, again joining 5 petals together and adding the center as a tight coil which is made using 1/4 strip of dark pink color and 1/4 strip of peach color. Similarly, I have added one more peach flower and one more pink flower. Now to make the leaf, I am taking half strip of light green color and making simple leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared already some more leaves with the same shape and size. Now to make scroll, I am taking two pieces of 1/4 strip in light green color and peach color. Gather all the strips together and make a coil in one direction using pointed tweezer. Just cut the excess strip from bottom and the scroll is ready. Super duper easy. In the same way, I have already made some more scrolls. Now to create the filler, I am taking here 1/4 strip of dark pink color and making one tight coil. Just taking 1/4 strip of light pink color, fold this into half, add glue inside this and exactly in the center stick the tight coil. And tada! The super duper easy filler flower is ready. In the same way, I have prepared some more fillers. So pretty. Then taking back my card and I will start adding the decoration in bottom left corner. So first I am adding peach color flowers. Now adding the pink flower on top of this, and just to give the support from bottom, I am adding two leaves and then adding dark pink flower. Then to give the support for next two light pink flowers, I am adding white color tight coils in the bottom to give little dimension. And then on top of this, I am adding my light pink flowers. And the remaining part I am filling with the scrolls and leaves. Like this, and then it's time to add the fillers. Like this, so gorgeous. Then around the green circle, I am adding here 3 mm half cut white pearls. And then in the center I am adding 5 mm half cut pearl, and on the top of these pink threads I am adding 3 mm half cut pearl. And the paper which we have cut while cutting the circle, I am using as a corner of the card. So in the bottom I have added pink paper, and on top of this I have added green paper which we got while cutting the square paper. So nothing complicated, just we have to align the pink paper, and then on top of this we have to add the green paper. Super duper easy to decorate the corners. And then at the end I am adding sentiment Happy Diwali, which is handwritten. So the beautiful Diwali card is ready. I have shown this string art to create the star ornament or the lantern shape, or you can also use this as a rangoli design, and you can write any extra message inside the card. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.